Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Animals that eat grains are known as granivorous animals. Here in this video, I'll write 10 names of grain eating animals. Name of the first animal that eat grains are chickens. Second, ducks. Third, it is sparrows. Fourth, crows. Fifth, geese. Sixth, horses. Seventh name of a grain eating animal is pigs. Eighth, goats. Ninth, rats. 10th, squirrels. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and click the channel icon to subscribe.